Yeah, I just bought a new camera. It's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and today I'm going to be testing it out. I'm just going to probably bring it out with me on the errands that I have to do for today and just see how it films outside. So far, I really love it, and I think this is going to help with my anxiety with vlogging in person outside. So, because it's very compact and very discreet, that's what I really love about it. I have this extended piece for the tripod, but you can honestly take off these pieces as well, and it's so small. Look at it. I'll go more in depth on the details about it. Again, I'm a beginner using this, so I'm not too I'm not a professional using it. I've watched a couple of YouTube videos how to do the settings for like the video, but I kind of left a lot of them on auto just to see how it is. I have terrible lighting in here. Outside, it's like I don't need any editing or anything, so I'm gonna see how it is. And yeah, it's so cute. Oh, look at it. It's literally so cute. I went and got some accessories. I'll go into that later on, but I just really wanted this video to be a testing video to see how it is outside and just see how comfortable I am with it. I do have to go and take the family dog. You guys probably don't even know, or I don't even know if I've ever put that on a vlog last year, but there's a family dog, Sky. I'm gonna be taking her somewhere like a park or something so she can run and just burn some energy off. I think that's a perfect time to go and test this to see outside. Pretty sunny, so hopefully we get some good footage. And it's freezing outside, so I don't even know what I'm thinking, but I was like, let me just kill two birds with one stone and take her to the park and test this out. So we shall see. Also do have to take a couple of packages to UPS. To do that before I go into details about the camera. So it is currently 12:19, so I gotta get my day started. Oh, my voice is so raspy today. Let's go drink some tea. Your girl left some tea. I'm sounding real raspy. I don't like that. Yeah, so it's 12:19. We need to go. I need to go double up in my clothes. I don't know where I'm going with the short sleeve. Like, it's not, let's see, like it's not 26 degrees outside, so we are going to go do that. Nice little sweater, and yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next clip. This dog wants her grandma because she keeps crying. So I don't know why I took on this duty to take her to the park, but we're gonna try. I asked my grandma for some gloves because I usually don't wear gloves in the winter time. Yeah, why she gave me these OJ Simpson leather gloves? What am I gonna do with this? We're gonna have to make do because it is literally snow on the ground. I don't know whose bright idea was to come to the park when it literally snowed days ago, but yeah, we're gonna try to get this accomplished. All right, so I'm gonna take you guys with me to the park so I can just test more of the camera. Sky, come here, girl. Come here. Come here, Sky. Come here. Say hi. Where's the ball, Sky? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. Ready? Hey, don't you bark at me. It's a water break. Yeah, I try to get her to drink some water. She's having too much fun and she doesn't want to drink any. So I'm gonna drink some because I'm winded. Woo! Child, my nose is running. I didn't bring any tissue. Did we have fun or no, Sky? Hello? Did you have fun? Alright, y'all, I am finally back to the house. I am freezing. It was so cold outside. I don't even know if my nose is still red. It was freezing. I stayed out there for about an hour and then I was like, yeah, no, it's time to go home because it's too much. Dropped her off with the quickness because it is too cold outside. Right now I'm just catching up on some emails and some orders from the site. And then we're gonna get into the camera. And I don't even know where I put the box, to be honest. I was so excited when I got this one. I just got the regular one, which just comes with the camera itself, and then this extended piece for it has like the thread so you can put it in any type of tripod, or if you have a portable tripod you want to attach this to. It came with that and this cover and a wristlet and and a charger. And then there's also a, I can't remember. I think it's the creator package. That one I didn't get because that one was like $700 and something. And when I was doing my research, they said just get the camera alone and then get the additional accessories. It'll work out to be a little bit cheaper. And tell me why. I was scrolling on TikTok and apparently around December they had a sale at like Costco, and these were running for like $2.99 or something, or $300, and people weren't going to go buy it. And I already had bought this maybe like a week and a half ago, and I had no idea about that sale. So it's okay because I ended up getting it, and I've been researching this for the longest, and I finally gave in and bought it. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna show you guys basically, oopsie. Alright, so here it is, just to give you guys a 360 of it. I have my fingerprints all on the screen, but I actually have protectors I bought from Amazon. I can link that in the description down below as well. I got screen protectors for the screen and then for the actual camera itself. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. You can turn it on by doing this. And I get this little message about the SD card because I got the wrong one, so don't be like me. I will link in the description the correct one to get. It's actually a mini one, and it goes in this little slot right here. I have a regular memory card. It's like the, you know, the regular size one. This little mini one goes in the slot. I can actually show you, hold on. So it's like this, and then the mini one that's inside the camera goes in this piece, and then you can just add it to whatever extension you have to read your memory cards. This is on, and I can see myself, look. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. Y'all, the stabilization on this is so amazing. When I tell you, you guys are gonna see it in the clip before. It is amazing, and that's what I don't get with this Sony ZV-1 or your iPhone. It's just so smooth and I love it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to go out and vlog. I've never been this excited to vlog because look how compact this is. It literally is called a pocket for a reason. Like this little extended piece you don't have to keep on. But I'm gonna detach it so you guys can see. It has a charging port on here and then the thread to add any type of tripod. You can keep that off, and look how cute and small this is. It's so cute. I should not be this excited for a camera, but my dopamine levels are like at an ultimate high right now because I just love this camera. I'm gonna show you the pieces that I got. I also got a DJI. This is the little mini tripod that connects to this piece. So I can put this back on. Ooh, I'll put this back on for you guys. Make sure it's snapped in place. And then, oopsie, then you go ahead and screw this on. And then it's like a mini tripod now. And you can just set it up wherever you need to go. and film. I went ahead and got a mount from Amazon. This one is good because it's magnetic, so you can like literally put it anywhere. So if you're in shopping in Target, for example, you could just pop it on the metal like stand and literally just film and go. And there's also one thing I wanted to also show you. So you can actually film with this camera if you want to do content for your business or just regular personal content. You can actually do it as if like you're using the iPhone. So it goes, what is this? Horizontal or vertical? Child, I think this is vertical. Let's use our noggin. I think this is vertical. I don't know why I'm psyching myself out. So you can go in portrait mode. I'm just gonna say portrait. You can go portrait mode and literally film your content as if you would on your iPhone. And the good thing about this is I don't have to use up all my storage on my phone anymore. And that was another reason why I got this, because that is so beneficial. You don't understand how much times I have to delete stuff on my phone in order to film new content. Now I got this bad boy. Like, this is the best thing. I don't know why I never got this. I really don't know why. Then you also can just do obviously landscape mode, and that's how you'll film like your YouTube long form content. See what I'm saying? I literally had this camera out from the first clip that you guys see me when I pulled out the camera till now, and this battery on the Sony ZV-1 already exhausted. I cannot film a whole video vlog or behind the scenes video without this camera overheating or the batteries dying. I literally bought like a 12-pack of backup batteries, and I'm like constantly switching it out when I'm filming a vlog or something, and that's so irritating and it's just not convenient at all. So that is why I am super happy I got this, because the battery life so far has been amazing. And you can also turn on the brightness, which will help save some of the battery. But yeah, I haven't even really charged this camera since I've gotten it, and it's been like a week. So the thing about it, it also takes the, I think it's the USB-C or the same, pretty much the same one that your phone takes or your laptop. So that is another bonus for this. You can charge it in your car, charge it with your regular laptop or iPhone charger. This video is not sponsored, but DJI, if you want to sponsor me, hit your girl up. Let me show you this other feature that it has that is so amazing for content creation, and I want to let you know before I forget. So it is the app that the camera comes with. It's the DJI, I don't know why I have both of this up. It's the app, and literally you can edit in here. You can sync. You can sync whatever you have on this camera to the phone and live stream, or you can also use this as a mirroring. So say if you are, I don't know, you know, like the iPhone where you're recording from the back camera and you can't really see yourself. There's actually a live stream of it on the phone while you're using the camera. So let me go ahead and show you. This is on, right? We're gonna put that to the side, and you are going to click the camera. It's gonna say connect. So on the actual camera, I'll show you now, and I'm gonna film myself and show you guys. Y'all, look how cute that is. Ooh, let me wipe my screen, y'all. Got all type of fingerprints. Look, y'all. You see all your footage that you have on the memory card on that camera, which will be loaded in here. You can also just download it straight. I wasn't filming earlier. You can download the actual video from your camera onto your phone if you want to post from your phone. You also can edit the actual video if you want to mess around with the color grading, if you want to do filters like beauty filters, trim, edit. Literally everything is in here. Everything that is filmed on this camera goes straight to the app. I just wanted to give you guys kind of just like a rough summary of what this camera does, and y'all, just be on the lookout for 2025, a lot more vlogs. I'm gonna carry this bad boy everywhere I go, literally in my pocket. That's why it's called Pocket. It's literally going to go in my pocket, and I'm gonna be filming. Like, who is gonna be scared vlogging with this little thing? It literally is like so small, like a phone, and I just love it. There's no way I'm this excited. But yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you guys turn on the notifications so that you know when I drop a new video. All right, y'all, I'll see you guys later.